Scientifically, what exactly happens in dandruff? What happens is the turnover of new cell formation gets increased, giving rise to more and more dead cells getting accumulated onto the scalp. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder Papillon Hair World. I am a doctor by profession and treating hair-related problems for more than 30 years. Three kind of problems comes to me very commonly. One is a hair loss, another is graying of the hair, and the third commonest is dandruff. For your information, just remember 50% of the population, for 50% of the people get dandruff one or the other time in their life. So dandruff is so common. And many times there is a belief that dandruff one comes, it never goes. The percentage of male having a dandruff is much more than females having the dandruff. What exactly the dandruff means? Today we are going to see that. What is dandruff? The dandruff is nothing but the exfoliation of the dead cells, giving rise to white flakes which comes onto your shoulder or comes onto your clothes, especially when you comb the hair. Please remember, dandruff is not contagious. It is most of the times it is not the infection also. It is a non-inflammatory skin condition, mainly of the scalp. It is the condition which is related with the scalp and not of the hair. Scientifically, what exactly happens in dandruff? What happens is the turnover of new cell formation gets increased, giving rise to more and more dead cells getting accumulated onto the scalp. So these accumulated dead cells comes out in the form of white flakes and we feel that there is a dandruff. So dandruff is always associated with a dry scalp. Till today, I have seen thousands of cases of dandruff. Mind well, 90% times the dandruff is always associated with the dry scalp condition. Only 10% of the people get oily scalp, giving rise to the condition called as oily dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis, in which the flakes are greasy, they are thick and they get adherent to the scalp. So mind well, the fungal origin dandruff happens only in 10% of the cases, and that happens because of the fungus called as Malassezia. On the other side, what happens if you go to dermatologist? Majority times the dermatologist prescribe you anti-fungal shampoos, the shampoos which contains anti-fungal activity products. And on other hand, majority times the products which are available in the market are related with just the cleansers. So what happens whenever you are using anti-dandruff shampoos, what happens is just they clean up the dandruff, they just clean up the scalp for 3-4 days, and if you don't use that shampoo for more than 3-4 days, you are bound to get the dandruff again, because these anti-dandruff shampoos never has got a capacity to reduce the dryness of the scalp. So mind well, dryness of the scalp is the reason for getting dandruff, and majority times it is misleaded as dandruff because of the fungus and also wrongly treated. So what is dandruff? It is extra exfoliation of the dry scalp, giving rise to white scaly formation which comes onto your shoulders or which comes onto your clothes when you comb the hair. This is all what the dandruff is. In next videos, we will see causes of dandruff, treatment of dandruff and so on. If you have got any questions related with the dandruff, please write us down. And if you like this video and if you want to see more videos related with hair problems, please subscribe our video channel. Thank you.